Welcome to the Raft video. The purpose of this video is to gather dimensions, note details, forward to others that may need information. We're putting this together to save time and valuable resources. Pause this video wherever you need to. Take a screenshot and email that image to anyone it may help. We placed a laser level, and from the constant laser line throughout the space, we measured from the raw floor to the laser line. The smaller the measurement, the higher the floor is in that area. In this image, you'll find the dimensions of the dining and bar areas. In the dining area, these dimensions are taken for the edge of each window opening. Notice the windows here are labeled A through G. Each window in this drawing has a height and width dimension as well as a measurement off the floor to the bottom of the window. Here we labeled a few structure elements. For the rest of this video, we focus more in the bar area and those details. This particular image highlights some of the existing details in the back bar. We're calling this the right back bar. The back bar is a labyrinth of specific details. As we look forward and make improvements and alterations, there's design details, and an order to what can happen and when. Most all of the mechanical details are directly tied to the changes to come. In order to replace the existing freezer, we need to introduce a new countertop, which means we need to work out how that affects the beer tab fixture. Planning this will also involve the shelving system on the wall behind the tap fixture. Perhaps it's best to introduce a shelving system that works for now as well as in the future. For now, maybe the best path to achieve this is simply using common adjustable shelving. This would be shelf standards, shelf brackets, and then the shelves. The shelves could be glass, wood, or simulated wood melamine. You'll find dimensions here to work from. We gathered these dimensions and general concept from a teammate that has the future direction, vision, and overall plan for bottles that find their home here. Though the materials here are simple enough, this system could definitely be dressed up in terms of more quality design elements that can be added. Until they are, the system is easy enough and friendly budget-wise to change as needed with little or no waste. Simple LED lights for indirect lighting can fit inside the shelf standard, and finished panels could be mounted in between each standard flush with the face of the standard. The possibilities aren't endless, but they do exist. Moving over to the larger back bar that we have labeled the left back bar, we have two of those same shelving systems drawn in for consideration. This area also has its share of obstacles to dance with. From the TV size and location, the cash register, mixers, and a lengthy list of items to work with. This shelving system may dilute all those challenges as we grow and change going forward. In putting these drawings and this video together, we get a real sense of the logistics involved, and the list of questions seem limitless. One of the larger logistical tasks we face in both back bars is the countertop. Just moving everything to explore what's possible could prove to be challenging. The obvious dated laminate is likely going to be in the target zone, but replacing the entire countertop may not have to happen. With modern advances in HD imagery, laminate has come a long way. We may be able to go right over the top of this green laminate with new laminate. Looking close at images of this slate countertop, it's difficult to tell that it's just laminate. The smaller right side back bar would definitely need to have a total countertop replacement if we switch to a different freezer that is front-loaded. Keeping that freezer in play is also an option. It has laminate on it now, and that could be replaced, and the flanking laminate tops could be covered with new. It's unclear at this point how difficult it is to dismantle the tap fixture.